everyone and welcome to Tech Basics. Today I'm going to guide you on how to log into your NetHealth account on website. NetHealth account is used to manage healthcare related tasks such as scheduling appointments, viewing medical records or communicating with healthcare providers. So let's get started. First of all, open your browser and navigate to NetHealth website. You can do this by typing NetHealth login. Now click on login. Here you can see various services provided by NetHealth under customers login. Choose any service you want and click on login. After that, you will be directed to login page of NetHealth under therapy. Now enter your username and password to log in. If you have forgotten your password, you can simply recover it by clicking on reset password. If you want to be updated on NetHealth website or simply want to know what is new at NetHealth, simply click here and know it. And that's it. Follow this simple step and successfully log in. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and share.